mean to you as a service provider? It means the game is changing. The market is moving, well, from fragmented services to coordinated ecosystems. And your opportunity is this. First, position yourself in the ecosystem, because standing alone in a fragmented market is a high risk. Secondly, access clients through data, through climate studies, through audits, through assessments. Organizations begin to understand their real needs, which means you're no longer just chasing work, you are responding to a diagnosed demand. Thirdly, build credibility. Through standards, accreditation, and alignment, you move from supplier to trusted advisor.